Yo, what is up, guys? Just in case y'all were wondering, this is how my trade setup looks right now. Pretty clean, nice view outside. Got my charts right here. I'm gonna be giving you guys a trade recap of this trade right here. Have my certificate up there. It's under my mom's name because I got it when I was 17. I don't know if I told you guys, but I turned 18 like 1 week ago. But I got that certificate when I was 17, so it's under my mom's name, so that's why I have it blocked right now. Usually I don't have those sticky notes right there. But yeah, this is my OBS. A lot of you guys ask me what I record with. I record with OBS on PC, and I just record my trading view. And this is my YouTube channel. I just uploaded yesterday's video, and I'm back. And this is also my microphone. I got a new microphone. So yeah, let me just put my mic on not my mic, I'm gonna put my camera on this. So yeah, what's up, guys? Today it's the 22nd of May. It's a Wednesday, midweek. Tomorrow I have my exam, my maths exam, but I basically just wanted to give you guys like a trade recap of today, how today went, did I find any trades or anything, and yeah, just explain to you guys what happened today. I'm testing out this new camera angle for you guys. Let me get closer to the mic. I'm testing out this new camera angle for you guys because then I'm directly looking at the mic, like at the monitor, instead of the camera being there and the monitor being here. So I'm testing out, seeing if this is better for you guys. Yeah, so let's get into this video. So going into the day, again, I'm just learning every single day for my exams. So I look at the charts, but I don't really look at the charts the same, but I still hop on the charts. Basically going into the day, I was pretty bullish looking at the Nasdaq. Going into the morning, we had a nice retracement down here, and then H1 was just looking like we're gonna go higher. This was also now a balanced price range, so if we were to continue low or higher, we were probably just gonna retrace in here and continue higher. I was basically just waiting for 10 o'clock for the 9 a.m. candle, H1 candle to close. So at 10 o'clock, 10 a.m., that was basically my confirmation. We closed above this time-based high right here, and for me, that is confirmation for us to go higher. So after we got that close higher on at 10 a.m., I was just looking for some type of order block to get validated or like a BPR to get made or something, so I can get my trade. I was looking at the 5 minute. The 5 minute wasn't really looking that nice today, so I went on the 3 minute, and the 3 minute had a really nice order block right here that got validated, and it was unmitigated until, or yeah, it did kind of get tapped right here, but for me, it was still kind of unmitigated. So it was unmitigated, and at 10 a.m. it looked like we were gonna retrace into it. So I put my entry right there, and I think I'm gonna stop around here, down here, at the low of the order block, and it was basically just targeting a 2RR like always, and that's just my mechanical standpoint, my mechanical strategy, just always targeting 2RR and putting my stop loss to break even after my trade has ran more than 1RR. So today was one of those scenarios where it ran 1RR and I would have gotten stopped out at break even. Even if I didn't get stopped out right here at break even, I would have gotten stopped out right here or right here or right here. We just dumped in the PM session. But yeah, today was basically just a break even day, nothing much. Pretty clean, or yeah, no, it wasn't really necessarily clean, but it's also because we have FOMC. Oh, that's why we just dumped. I completely forgot we had FOMC minutes today. I don't really look at if there's FOMC minutes in the PM session. I just usually trade the AM session, but when there's the real FOMC, then I usually skip the AM session and trade the PM session. That's the only exception when I'm trading the PM session. But I've noticed that it's still, even if it's only FOMC minutes, it's pretty whack. The price action is pretty whack, just like today. So maybe I should take that into consideration next time. But besides that, I followed my rules. H1 was clearly just telling us we're gonna go higher, and order flow overall in the indices is really bullish. Just look at this trends. You know what I mean? Like, the trend is your friend. Like everybody tells you in the beginning of your trading journey, the trend is your friend. So I was basically just following that, and order flow was just telling me bullish. We were creating bullish fair value gaps, as you can see, creating bullish fair value gaps, closing above highs. It's just really bullish, and there's no point in trying to trade a reversal. That's basically just trying to catch a rocket, or like a rocket launcher, or not a rocket launcher, but like a rocket ship. You know what I mean? Like there's a rocket ship going up, and you're just trying to stop it. You know what I mean? So rather just ride with the rocket ship. So yeah, order flow, H1 confirmed higher. So on the higher time frame and intraday, confirmed higher. 3-minute order block got validated, and I entered right there, stopped at break even. It was pretty clean trade. The price action wasn't the best, but the trade in itself was clean. If you look at the 3-minute, I usually look at the 3 or 5-minute. Those are the only two time frames I enter on. I stopped looking at the 1-minute. That's one thing, like I mentioned in my last video. It's one thing I changed in my model. I changed a couple of things in my model. I stopped looking entirely at the 1-minute. I don't look at the 1-minute anymore. I only trade the 3 and 5-minute. And for my analysis, I look at the 15-minute, the 1 hour, and the daily. I don't look at the 4 hour anymore, and the weekly sometimes. But yeah, so those are like a couple of things that I changed. Besides that, there's nothing much more today. You know what I mean? One trade a day. I'm trying to stick to one trade a day. And yeah, FOMC, we melted a little bit. I don't know do we have earnings this week? No, right? I don't remember when we have earnings, but usually we dump like this too when we have like earnings and stuff. But right now, what am I anticipating on NASDAQ? I am anticipating some type of retracement, because if you look at the last time we reached the all-time highs, we didn't really just push up and keep going up once we reach the all-time highs. I'm not saying when we reach all-time highs we're going to reverse, but you usually, if we do continue higher, we do it with high resistance. So I'm anticipating some type of retracement. Looking at the weekly candle, I think this weekly candle is just going to close normal, and we're going to create this weekly fair value gap right here. So this right here is going to be, depending where this week closes, we're going to be having a weekly fair value gap, and I'm expecting next week for us to trade into that. So like this, I'm expecting for us to trade into that weekly fair value gap, and then maybe continue higher, or maybe even go a little bit deeper. I don't know, it depends what price is telling me. But I'm basically just anticipating some type of retracement right now. Again, we don't need to retrace right now. We can maybe retrace later, but we will retrace eventually. But right now, the price action, or not right now, but last week, because last week we had that week that we just pushed up. We just only pushed up, and the price action, or what do you call that, the range, is really imbalanced. So that's why I want to see some type of move down, back down here. I have to look at next week at the economic calendar. Maybe there's some type of news that can drive us lower. I need to take a look at that. So yeah, I want to see basically just a move lower, not so we can reverse, but just some type of retracement lower, because we just only pushed up. Slight retracement, push up, slight retracement, push up. So I want to see some type of, I want to see this price action, or this price action basically get filled. I don't know what you want to call it, but I want to see it get filled. And so the price action is balanced, so the range is balanced. Besides that, those are like basically what I'm looking for. I'm trying to see if we're going to get a retracement next week, or maybe even this week, tomorrow. I have to look at the news. I think we do have high impact news this week, so I have to take a look at that. Yeah, that's basically what I'm trying to see. Currently, it's looking like we are kind of getting some movement downwards with the FOMC minutes, so maybe that's the start of something. But besides that, there's nothing much more to see. You know what I mean? Something my friend always says is, if that, then that. Always wait for price to tell you something. Wait for the markets to show you its hand. Wait for price action to tell you, and then you react instead of trying to predict. I'm not predicting right now that we're gonna go lower. I'm just anticipating for us to go lower. And when I really know when we're gonna go lower is when price action tells me that. For example, if on the daily we have a huge daily candle lower, or on the hourly we just come all the way down here and close below all of these lows, confirming that we're gonna keep going lower. So if I get some type of confirmation in price action like that, or maybe if I see also that we have a lot of catalysts in the economic calendar that can maybe drive us lower, then I'm gonna tell you guys, okay, like there's a big chance we're gonna go lower. You know what I mean? But again, I'm not predicting or anything. I'm not gonna take any trades based off of that anticipation. It's just something I want to see happen. But I will not be taking any decisions based off of that. Yeah, that's basically all for today. I'm trying to get the video to 10 minutes because my videos are way too short. So yeah, again, like I said in the last video, give me some ideas on stuff I can do. I'm thinking about live streaming. Like when I'm Monday, I'm done with exams. So I'm thinking about when I'm done with exams, maybe doing some live streams, some charting sessions in the Discord. Again, if you guys want to join the Discord, it's in the link in the description. If you guys want to join the VIP room, it's in the link in the description, or just DM me. My friend Jerome predicted the markets again, and it's just, he's just always doing it. And basically, that's all I wanted to say. If you want to join the Discord, link is in the description. And yeah, I'm thinking about doing some live charting sessions, maybe like at the end of the week. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this trade recap and my insights on the markets, I guess. And yeah, take care.